Namaste. Today's our topic is CNS neurotransmitter. CNS has both excretory and inhibitory chemical transmitter. There are amines like ACH, noradrenaline, dopamine, and serotonin, histamine, amino acids like glutamic acid and aspartate acid, and GABA, glycine, peptide, substance B. Then GABA and glycerin are inhibitory anti, whereas dopamine is selectively either stimulatory or inhibitory at different sites. Many drugs which modify the function of CNS and affect the concentration of one or more of them in the central as well as peripheral nervous system. Many of the endogenous peptides are discovered in the brain, that is angiotensin, endorphin, vasopressin, endocrine peptide, and gut peptide. They regulate neuronal function by themselves. So you can see this the neurotransmitters like ACH, norepinephrine, epinephrine, serotonin, glutamate, gamma aminobutyric acid, and all these things. You can see their mechanism of action in this table, which is given like acetylcholine primary direct through the binding to chemical gate channel. Then their location is at CNS and PNS synapses throughout the brain and spinal cord, and neuromuscular junction, neurogranular junction, and synapses in autonomic ganglia. Then you can see the command widespread in the CNS and PNS, best known and most studied of the neurotransmitter. Next is the GABA, major inhibitory amino acids in neurotransmitter in brain. Most of the GABA receptors are composed of alpha, beta, and gamma subunit. Receptor composing of alpha and beta subunit produce function GABA receptor. Binding to barbiturates does not to benzodiazepine. Gamma assembly with the benzodiazepine. Absence of GABA benzodiazepine have no effect on GABA. GABA is a metabotropic receptor, activate drug baclofen, relaxant, muscles relaxant. So you can see this how the glutamic is act on the presynaptic nerve terminal by GABA transporter and repacked in the vessels. So you can see this how it is synthesis. Then glutamate and aspartate, it is essential amino acid. These are AAA are present in the various part of the brain, play an important role in excretory in neurotransmitter throughout CNS, released from the presynaptic nerve terminal and bind to several glutamate receptors. Their activation increase the conduction of sodium and calcium in the cell, leading to depolarization. Ionotropic glutamate receptor or stimulate metabolic glutamate receptor. Two ionotropic glutamate receptors are NMDA, N-methyl D-aspartate acid, and non-NMDA amino 3-hydroxy 5-methyl 4-isoxazole propanoic acid. Non-NMDA associated with the excretory postsynaptic potential at glutamatergic synapses. NMDA is associated with the LTP, prolonged increase in size of postsynaptic response to a presynaptic stimulus. EAA involved in brain process such as learning, memory, thinking. Very high concentration of glutamine can cause neuronal cell death. Next is the dopamine and its receptor. Dopamine is a primary and inhibitory neurotransmitter. Its deficiency causes the extrapyramidal disturbance. There are 5 receptors identified, D1 to D5. Activation of D1 and D5 stimulate the adenylyl cyclase and increase the release of CAMP. D2 to D4 inhibit the adenylyl cyclase and decrease the release of CAMP. The location of this receptor are D1 is nigrostrial pathway, D2 is stratenum and statria nigra and pituitary involved in the control of behavior, voluntary movement, prolactin release, and other endocrine subsequence. D3 in midbrain, nucleus and hypothalamus. D4 is mesocortical pathway, frontal cortex, medulla, and midbrain. D5 is hypothalamus and hippocampus. Its exact role is unknown. So you can see the synthesis of dopamine here. Hope you will understand this. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you.